My experiment is mixing a lot of things to make a volcano. Next I'm going to pour in the vinegar. I already poured in the baking soda and the food coloring. Now I'm going to pour in the vinegar and watch what happens. Is that cool?
That's cool.
Look at my... this one.
Cool.
Isn't that cool?
That is super cool.
You want to do it again?
So what's your conclusion?
To conclusion.
Did it work?
Will it work
It
if
worked.
you pour more vinegar in the cups?
Look what happened.
If you pour more vinegar in each of the cups?
Can
will it
they
work
erupt again?
They can erupt again.
Let's
Would you like
see.
to see them?
Round 2.
Might work. Oh, no, it didn't work.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, it did.
Gotta give it a second. There it goes.
Oh, I'm running out of vinegar.
That's alright, I'm putting more in there.
These are cool. You should see these. Yeah.
Major eruption. Any final words?
I'm going to tell you once more how to make these so you can make them at your house. Just make sure when you use the food coloring, put it on a tray because it can stain your sink. So, how do you make them? First, you put in a spoonful of baking soda, or 2. And then you put in a little food coloring, red food coloring. But if you wanted to make the lava blue, you can make it blue with blue food coloring. And then after that, you pour a little vinegar in, and then it explodes. And then you gotta tape that piece of paper to the cup with tape. But don't worry, the tape won't fall off.
Okay. Signing off.
Nicely done.